GDCAP26, just your tips and fairs and hobbies. I'm going to show you how to put a photo image on a folder so you can identify what's in the folder, like family pictures, whatever, collections, this and that. So stay folder here, and you go inside the folder, and you got an image. Click on the image, right click, go open, then you go up to edit, see edit up there, go down to, I think it's edit. Yeah, edit. Go to select all and click that. Then go down to your keyboard. Sorry about that, guys. Go Command C on your Apple keyboard. Puts a ring around it like that. So then you close it out. Okay. And you go to the folder. Right click. Go to Get Info, and then up here, click in the center of that folder until it highlights like that. Right click, then go down to your keyboard and go to Command V, and there you go. That folder now has an image on it. Then you open it up, and the picture's inside. Okay, so I'll write this out in the description below for you, how to do this. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.